This digital coax cable is made from premium quality RG59U with double copper braid shielding to prevent signal degradation caused by EMI and RFI interference. This cable is ideal for conducting PDIF digital audio signals and other high-bandwidth content, but it can also be used for composite video and other line-level RCA signals. Features: gold-plated RCA male connectors. Fully molded connector housings. 99.999% pure copper non-OFC conductor. Double shielded with copper braiding. 75 ohm impedance. Top reviews from the United States. Beefy Cable. This cabe is solid and pretty thick in diameter while still being flexible to do what I need it to do. Before I had a stereo RCA with only one channel, but that introduced a lot of buzz, hum, so I looked for a other solution. I found this cable at great budget and gave it a shot, and it gladly got rid of the unwanted noise in my subwoofer. I am a happy customer and would recommend. Coaxial connection very good. Works great. 6 cable used for digital transfer between converter and DAC. Quality is excellent.